if you are not a software developer, it is hard to understand how much software development has changed in the last like 18 months with AI tooling, where I know many people who run like technical sites about programming or how to use certain frameworks and stuff that have just seen their traffic tank and have seen just a huge rise in people and not even doing searches for any like concepts anymore. They just literally just make modifications directly to the code. So they have Cursor, which is an AI assisted coding tool. There's Windsurf, there's all these different packages. And just within the actual document, you just highlight a section of it and you say, fix this, or you say, hey, add this or change this. So it takes out a lot of what used to be, okay, so how do I use this, API? And I go out and I search the documentation, or I say, what's the best way to do this? And there's a couple different things, and one of them might be paid. And I go to that. And, we're starting to see a lot of this stuff where, the product of a lot of the work that marketers do internally is, reporting and say, hey, here's the opportunities in this country, here's what we could do. And they're building that in a slideshow, and directly in the slideshow, you can type like, hey, give me the top 10 podcasts, and it will just make a list. And you can do that right now. And, Gemini's built into Google Docs. Notion has its own AI thing.